Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and this is John.
We are happy you are here today.
Yes, please listen and relax.
Today's topic is very interesting.
Yes, we talk about reading.
Reading is something many people do,
We read books, we read news, we read messages.
but today we talk about what reading does to your brain.
It's a fun topic. Are you ready?
Let's start.
John, do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like reading very much.
What do you read?
I read books. I like stories. I also read short articles.
Oh, nice. I like reading too. I read before I sleep.
That's a good habit.
Yes, it helps me relax.
Me too. Reading is very calming.
So let's talk about the brain. Do you know what the brain is?
Yes, the brain is inside your head.
That's right. The brain helps us think, feel, and remember.
The brain is very important.
Very important. And reading is very good for the brain.
Really? How?
Well, when you read, your brain works hard.
Like a muscle?
Yes, like a muscle. When you use a muscle, it gets stronger.
And when you read, your brain gets stronger.
Exactly. Reading makes your brain stronger.
That's amazing.
Let's talk about the first thing reading does to your brain.
Okay, what is the first thing?
Reading helps your memory.
Memory means remembering easy things.
Yes, when you read a story, you remember the names. You remember what happens.
So your memory gets better.
Yes, reading trains your brain to remember.
I noticed this. When I read a lot, I remember things better.
Me too. My memory is better when I read every day.
That's great. What is the second thing reading does to the brain?
Reading helps you focus.
Focus means to pay attention to one thing.
Yes, when you read, you pay attention to the words. You think about the story.
You don't think about other things.
Right. Reading helps your brain focus better.
In today's world, it is hard to focus.
Yes, we have phones, we have social media, we have many distractions.
A distraction is something that takes your attention.
Yes, reading helps you ignore distractions.
So reading makes you more focused in life, too.
Exactly. If you read every day, you can focus better at work and at school.
That is very useful.
Yes, very useful. What is the third thing?
The third thing is vocabulary.
Oh, yes. Vocabulary means words.
When you read, you learn new words.
Every book has many words. Some words are new.
You read the new word, you see it in a sentence, you understand the meaning.
And then you remember it.
Yes, that's how we learn new words.
When I read in English, I learned so many new words.
Me too. Reading is the best way to grow your vocabulary.
So, if you want to speak better, read more.
Simple advice, but it works.
Okay, what is the fourth thing reading does?
Reading reduces stress.
Yes, stress is when you feel worried or tired.
Many people feel stress every day,
Work, school, problems, stress is everywhere.
but reading can help.
When you read a good book, you forget your problems.
You enter another world.
Yes, a book is like a door to another world.
I love that. When I read, I feel calm.
Me too. Even reading for 10 minutes helps.
10 minutes of reading every day reduces stress.
That sounds easy.
It is easy, and it feels good.
So let's say it again. Reading reduces stress.
Remember that, everyone.
Now, the fifth thing. Reading helps you sleep better.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yes, many doctors say read before you sleep.
Why?
Because reading calms your brain. It makes you sleepy in a good way.
Not like your phone.
Right. Phones are bad for sleep. The light wakes your brain.
But a book is different.
Yes, a book is calm. It has no light, no sounds, no videos.
Just words and your imagination.
Imagination means the pictures in your mind.
Yes, when you read, you make pictures in your mind.
Like a movie, but in your head.
I like that. Reading is a movie in your mind.
Yes, and it helps you sleep.
So if you have trouble sleeping, try reading.
A simple book, not too long, just 10 or 15 pages.
And then sleep.
Your brain will feel calm and you will sleep well.
Great advice, Olivia.
Thank you, John. Okay, now let's talk about different types of reading.
Yes, there are different kinds of things to read.
First, there are books, fiction books and nonfiction books.
What is fiction?
Fiction is a story that is not real. Someone made it up.
Like a story about a dragon or a princess.
Yes, Harry Potter is fiction.
What is nonfiction?
Nonfiction is real information. It is true.
Like a book about science or a book about history.
Yes, nonfiction helps you learn real things.
Fiction helps you enjoy a story.
Both are good for your brain.
Both are good. Pick what you like.
There are also magazines, news articles, and short stories.
For beginners, short stories are great.
Yes, short stories are not too long. They're easy to finish.
And you feel happy when you finish.
That happy feeling helps you read more.
Yes, small wins are important.
Start small. Read 1 page, then 2 pages, then 1 chapter.
Step by step.
Yes, don't try to read a very long book in the beginning.
Start with something easy and short.
And enjoy it.
Now, let's talk about reading in English.
Yes, many of our listeners are learning English.
Reading in English is a great way to improve.
When you read English words many times, you remember them.
And you understand grammar better.
Yes, you see sentences. You see how words work together.
You don't always need to study grammar rules.
Sometimes just reading is enough.
You see the right sentences, your brain learns the pattern.
That's very natural learning.
Like how babies learn. They listen, they see, they copy.
Reading is the same. You see, you understand, you use.
So, what should English learners read?
Start with children's books in English.
Children's books? Really?
Yes, children's books use simple words. They are perfect for beginners.
That's a smart idea.
Then you can try easy graded readers. These are books made for language learners.
They use simple English, not too hard.
Yes, and they are interesting too.
Then later, when you are stronger, try simple novels.
Take your time. Don't rush.
Reading should be fun, not a test.
Yes, don't use a dictionary for every word.
Try to understand from the sentence.
The words around the new word help you guess the meaning.
That skill is very useful.
Yes, it is called understanding from context.
Context means the words and sentences around the new word.
So you don't stop every time. You keep reading.
And you enjoy more.
Exactly. Happy reading is good reading.
Now, let's do our word tour. We will review some words from today.
Good idea. Let's look at 5 words.
Word number 1, brain.
Brain. The brain is inside your head. It helps you think and feel.
Example, reading is good for your brain.
Word number 2, memory.
Memory. Memory means the ability to remember things.
Example, reading helps your memory. You remember things better.
Word number 3, focus.
Focus means to pay attention to one thing.
Example, when I read, I focus. I don't think about other things.
Word number 4, stress.
Stress. Stress is the feeling of worry or pressure.
Example, after a hard day, reading helps me forget my stress.
Word number 5, imagination.
Imagination means the pictures in your mind.
Example, when I read a story, I use my imagination. I see the story in my mind.
Great! Those are 5 important words from today.
Brain, memory, focus, stress, and imagination.
Try to use these words today.
Talk to a friend. Write a sentence. Practice.
Yes, that is the best way to remember new words.
Okay, let's end with a simple message.
Yes, our message today is read every day.
Even a little, even 5 minutes.
Your brain will be stronger.
Your memory will be better.
Your vocabulary will grow.
and you will feel less stress.
Reading is a gift you give to your brain.
I love that.
So, pick up a book, or read on your phone, or listen to an audiobook.
Just read.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this episode was helpful for you.
Please listen again. It helps you practice English.
And please subscribe to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
We make new episodes every week. We talk about everyday topics.
Simple English, slow speech, real conversations.
Just like today.
See you in the next episode.
Keep reading, keep learning.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.